How to turn off read receipts on Instagram. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide that we can follow up in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. Start by opening up Instagram application for that, and there are two methods in order to do so. So one of them is going to the option of profile in the bottom right corner once we are logged in, and from there just go over and look out for the menu, the three lines in the top right corner. After we select that option, we just need to go over and scroll and go to the section for messages and story replies. So find the option for that and tap on it. And then once we tap on it, we can look out for the option called show read receipts. And once we tap on it, we can just go over and toggle off this option, and that is one of the methods. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just head back and go to the DMs option. And inside DMs option, we can tap on the person's name. So go ahead and tap on the person's name. And once we tap on the person's name, we can just go over and tap on the option called privacy and safety. And inside here, we can find an option called read receipts. We can just go over and turn off this option from here as well. And they should be able to we should be able to turn it off, and when turned off, you will not be able to see when others have read your messages. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. If you want to turn off read receipts on Instagram, this is how you do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.